This is the home screen of MySQL Workbench, and now we will learn how we can create connection to MySQL Server from this screen. You can see over here it says MySQL connection. There is a sign of plus over here. Click on it and it will bring up set up new connection screen. Enter the connection name. For example, I will write Pluralsight and leave the connection method as standard TCP IP. You can also change to local socket or standard TCP IP over SSH. However, for this example, it's okay to keep standard TCP IP. Enter the name of the host over here. I have installed MySQL on the local box itself, hence I will leave 127.0.0.1 as it is. The default port of MySQL is 3306, hence I will keep it as it is. Over here, you can provide username. I will connect with the help of root. However, the best practice suggests you create different user for different role in your organization. Click on Store on Vault and over here you can provide the password to your username. I entered my password and now I click on OK. The password will be stored in the vault, and in future every single time when I come to MySQL Workbench I will not have to enter that password. However, if your business requires that you enter password every single time, do not provide any password and it will ask user to enter password every single time. Over here, you can provide default schema is equivalent to database in MySQL. If you provide your schema as test, Sakila or any other, when you connect to MySQL with the help of this connection, it will automatically default your connection to that database or schema. I will leave this empty. That means when I connect to MySQL, at that time, very first task I will have to do is to select the context of my schema or database. Click on test connection. As everything I provided was correct, my connection is successful. Click on OK and now click on OK one more time. On the screen, you can see there is now new connection Pluralsight. When you double click it, it will open SQL editor of MySQL Workbench. Our connection is successful and now we can start working with MySQL. Click on home screen again and you are back to the list of all the connection. You can create multiple connections over here for your different installation of MySQL.